Hi guys, today I have an iPhone 17 Pro Max. Need to change the screen replacement. Alright, let's start the work. We need a bottom screw open right now, first of all. Okay, now we have to open like that. We need the alcohol and we need the blade and we need something sharp. That's enough, I guess. Put a little bit more alcohol. Okay, let me do it this way. Finally we open this screen. Okay, let me remove this. Now I'm gonna remove it. First screen connector and then proximity sensor connector. Alright, so it's finally disconnected. It looked like the screen was good. Alright, now I'm gonna remove the proximity sensor flex. Alright, let me put it on side the device. Now I need this screwdriver. Okay, now I'm gonna heat a little bit and then I'm gonna take it out. I need a heat gun, heat a little bit. That's enough. Okay, now I'm gonna take it out safely. let me take it out. Okay, finally we take it out. Proximity sensor. Okay, let me close that. Here is whole brand new screen. So let me take out this tape. Now I'm gonna put it back properly again to the screen. Okay, let me put this screw first. Here you go. Now I'm gonna put this shit. Alright, finally you put it. Oh, it's okay, it's still here. It's not gonna be awesome. Okay, here's the phone. Now I'm gonna put like this because it's easy for me. Okay, now I'm gonna put first proximity sensor connector to the logic board, and then I'm gonna put the screen connector. Alright, that's good. Now I'm gonna hold like this. Okay. Goes properly to the housing. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna test the screen. Okay, now I'm gonna put the bottom screws. Alright guys, if you like my video, share it to your friend and comment it if you have any question, and subscribe my channel if you are new. See you on next video. Bye, take care.